Hi everybody, it's Ginny here from Fine & Country on Exmoor, and welcome to the Clock Tower. This beautiful home is situated in the former grounds of the Carnarvon Arms Hotel and has got good road links back to Dalton, Exmoor and also Tiverton. So please follow me to find out more. Welcome inside. This immaculately presented residence has been sympathetically designed to create a beautiful family home, comprising of 4 double bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, as well as this beautiful open plan kitchen diner. It also benefits from a beautiful sitting room, study, and very useful utility room. Welcome outside. The property benefits from extensive gardens, which you can obviously see behind me. It also enjoys beautiful countryside views, has also a great sized garage, raised patio area and parking. So if you'd like to know more information, then please don't hesitate to contact us, as of course we would be delighted to hear from you.